Imagine seeing a video online of a famous person saying something surprising. The video looks real, the voice sounds real, and the message seems believable. But what if AI created it? As AI becomes more powerful, it's easier than ever to create realistic images, videos, audio, and information. That makes one skill more important than ever: critical thinking. Tips and Fun of AI, Episode 7: Detecting Misinformation in the Age of AI. Hi everyone, my name is Alan, and today we're talking about how to help students detect misinformation in the age of AI. Helping students identify reliable information has always been an important part of education, but AI has changed the information landscape. Students can now create text, images, audio, and videos in seconds. That creates exciting opportunities for creativity, but it also means students need stronger skills to evaluate what they see and hear online. The goal isn't to make students distrust everything, it is to help them become thoughtful consumers and creators of information. The first skill is learning how to slow down. In a world where information spreads quickly, we can easily believe something just because it looks convincing. Students need to understand that seeing something online doesn't automatically make it true. Encourage them to ask, who created this? Where did this information come from? And what evidence supports it? For example, if a student sees a post claiming that a new study proves something, encourage them to check the original source, look for other reliable information, and ask whether the claim actually makes sense. That simple pause can help stop misinformation from spreading. Students need to understand what AI can create. AI can now produce realistic images, human-like writing, fake videos, and artificial voices. That doesn't mean AI content is always bad. There are many positive ways to use these tools, but students need to recognize that not everything they see online represents reality. For example, they might see an image of a historical event that never actually happened. Educators can use examples like this to encourage students to stop, question, and investigate. Finally, students need strong information literacy skills, knowing to find, evaluate, and use information effectively. Encourage students to compare multiple sources and ask, can I find this information somewhere else? Are experts saying the same thing? And could this source be biased? These skills will help students not only in school, but also employees, community members, voters, and digital citizens. In an AI-powered world, the most important skill isn't knowing what information is available, it's knowing what information deserves our trust. Here's a simple activity you could try with your students. Find a piece of information online and have students investigate it. Ask them who created it, what evidence supports it, what questions remain. This turns fact-checking into a real-world skill. And before the next episode, encourage your students to question one thing they see online, because curiosity isn't about doubting everything. It's about caring enough to find the truth.